What's up, guys? Project Vet YouTube channel. We're just gonna go over today some of the other projects that I have. So right here is my 2003 CBR F4i. It's been parked for a minute. The original tank actually started to leak gas really bad. It had a hairline crack in it. I tried to fix that. I filled it up with gas again. It held for a day and a half or so, then it started leaking at the seam, so I just had to end up ordering a new tank. So that's why it's been parked here. It was hard to source it. These were used as stunt bikes pretty often here, so when I was looking for one, I could only find ones that have been beat up, crushed in, dented, laid over, etc. So it was a real challenge. So that's one of my projects. This is my favorite. It's my 2003 F-150. It's a 4.2 5-speed manual transmission. So I live in Emissions County here, and my cats actually blew up, so I had to remove them. I ordered a new set from eBay. I really didn't care about the quality. As long as they could pass for 3 more years, then I'm good to go. So since I'm doing cats, I might as well go ahead and do the manifolds. I actually got a set of headers for it that I have to mount on, but currently I'm waiting for the EGR tube. I couldn't get it removed. It was original to the truck, so that's what I'm waiting for. Now here under the car cover is the 79 Corvette, the main focus of the channel. I'll insert a clip of how that looks. And that's these projects over here. I'm gonna go over to my daily driver. This is what I drive around in and always need to work because Subaru things, which y'all can imagine. This is the daily. It's a 2014 Subaru WRX 5-speed, and it has a few things done to it. It's not crazy modified, and I'm not really gonna go crazy with it because it is my daily driver, but I do need to put a suspension on it. I'm thinking about coilovers. I have no idea about anything with suspension wise, so if y'all have any suggestions, drop in the comments. I'll check them out. But that's pretty much it. I actually just did the radiator on this. It blew up on my way home from work. I did the AC. The compressor seal blew after I replaced the evaporator core, so that was a real fun experience. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is just a short video going over of what I have to work on, things that'll be seen on the channel. Let me know if y'all have any questions, any suggestions. I am thinking about getting a garage here in the soon future, hopefully. 20 by 25, 9 feet tall on a concrete slab. Hopefully I can get the funds for that and put that into motion. I'll have actually somewhere to work instead of just work on the grass and everything. It's been fun doing that, but I'd really prefer to work on some concrete. So yeah, anyways, bye.